So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Xumo box blinking white then turning off, power HDMI and factory reset. So how to fix Xumo box blinking white then turning off. A Xumo box may blink white and turn off due to power supply issue, loose cable or a temporary system glitch during startup. Restart the box by unplugging it for 10 to 15 seconds and plug it back in. When refresh the system and clear temporary boot errors. Also check the power adapter, try another outlet and reconnect the HDMI cable. An unstable power or loose connection can cause the device to shut down. Fix 1 is restart the Xumo box. Unplug the Xumo box from the power outlet and wait for about 10 to 15 seconds, then plug it back in and turn it on again. This restart, refresh then device system and clear temporary glitches that may cause the white light to blink and the box to shut off. Fix 2 is check the power adapter and cable. Make sure the power adapter and cable are firmly connected to both the Xumo box and the wall outlet. A loose or faulty power connection can interrupt the power supply, which may cause the device to blink white and turn off unexpectedly. Third fix is try a different power outlet. Plug the Xumo box into a different wall socket or power strip and power it on again. This helps determine if the issue is caused by an unstable or faulty power outlet that prevent the box from staying powered on. Fourth fix is reconnect the HDMI cable. Disconnect the HDMI cable from both the TV and the Xumo box, then reconnect it securely or try another HDMI port on the TV. This helps ensure a stable connection between the box and the TV, which can sometimes resolve startup problem. Fifth fix is perform a power reset. Unplug the Xumo box from the power source and leave it disconnected for about 1 minute before plug it back in. This extend power reset allows the internal hardware to fully reset and can fix boot issue that cause the blinking white light. Sixth fix is contact support if the problem continues. If the Xumo box still blink white and turn off after trying these steps, the device may have a hardware or firmware problem. In this case, contacting your TV service provider on Xumo support can help you get further troubleshooting or a replacement device. Thank you.